Did you know that Loki discovered the one substance that could control the gods themselves? While the mighty Asgardians focused on grand weapons and powerful spells, Loki noticed something they all ignored: Quicksilver, liquid mercury that flows like water but shines like metal. The trickster god realized this strange substance was perfect. It could slip through any barrier and change shape just like him. But here's where Loki got clever. For centuries, he secretly added tiny drops of Quicksilver to every divine feast. The gods never suspected. They drank and ate, letting the liquid metal build up in their bodies. Then one day, Loki smiled and flexed his power. Suddenly, Thor's hammer arm froze mid-swing. Odin fell to his knees against his will. The Quicksilver in their blood obeyed only Loki. The gods became living puppets, conscious but helpless as the liquid metal controlled their every move. The most fluid substance became the most binding prison ever created.